Welcome to Weirdly Real. Let's dive into some mind-blowing basketball facts. Did you know that basketball wasn't originally created as a major sport? It was invented in December of 1891 by Dr. James Naismith, a physical education instructor at the YMCA in Springfield, Massachusetts. Naismith was trying to find a way to keep his students active during the cold winter months. So, he came up with the idea of a game using a soccer ball and two peach baskets. His goal was simple: get the students moving indoors. Now, picture this: the first ever basketball game used those peach baskets as goals. But here's the kicker: the baskets still had bottoms. So, after every point, someone had to climb up and get the ball. That's why Naismith eventually removed the bottoms of the baskets, allowing the ball to drop through after a score. Sounds pretty tricky, right? And guess what? Dribbling wasn't even part of the original game. Players could only advance the ball by passing it to teammates. It wasn't until 1896 that dribbling became a common part of basketball, and by 1898, the rule against double dribbling was established. Speaking of rules, did you know the first basketball game was played with only 13 rules? These rules were set down by Naismith and included things like no running with the ball and no physical contact like tripping or pushing. And a basket was only counted if the ball stayed in the peach basket. The game also had two 15-minute halves, with a 5-minute break in between. Finally, it's fascinating that less than a year after the invention of basketball, Senda Berenson adapted the game for women. In 1892, the first official women's basketball game was played at Smith College, just 11 months after the sport was born. How amazing is that? Make sure to subscribe for more mind-blowing facts on Weirdly Real.